If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, turn on your notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid. Has collision damage to the nose. As you can see, you need the complete sheet metal nose, radiator support, headlights, bumper assembly, radiator condenser. Take a look under the hood. No breakage on the front of the motor. Radiator support aprons are damaged. Radiator condenser. You need everything on the nose. Got a little damage to the fuse box cover here. The inverter looks good on the hybrid portion of the engine. The unit does start and drive. Frame rail has some damage here. Let's do a quick walk around. Got the panoramic glass. Doors back, it looks pretty clean. Has a salvage title. Pretty nice vehicle. I believe the airbags are all intact. Let's take a look at the back. Really nice interior. No airbags deployed. I'm going to post the pictures on the website. Pricing, details, miles. If you're interested in the vehicle, give us a call. Thanks for watching.